All right, let's dive in. You've probably felt this before, right? You get this amazing idea for a video, you're all fired up, and then, bam! You hit that huge wall of production. We're talking the time it takes, the tech skills you think you need, the cost, and suddenly, that gap between your great idea and an actual polished video feels, well, it feels impossible.
But what if? What if you could just erase that gap? Like, almost instantly. What if you could take all those ideas, your scripts, even your own photos and videos from your phone, and turn them into a stunning video? And I mean, no camera crew, no expensive studio, and definitely no years of editing experience needed.
Well, that's exactly the promise. And RevID AI is the tool that actually delivers on it. Now, don't think of this as some kind of autopilot that just takes over. No. It's much more like having an expert co-pilot sitting right there with you, blending the raw power of AI with your creative vision. At its core, the idea is actually super simple, but so powerful. It's all about blending different kinds of media into one seamless video. So you've got AI-generated clips, you've got this huge library of stock footage, and this is the most important part. You've got your own photos and videos. It just brings them all together. Okay, so how does this whole thing actually work? Well, the second you log in, you land right here. And listen, this is way more than just some boring old dashboard. We call it your creative command center. Right from this one screen, you can jump into a brand new project. You can go back and tweak your past videos, or you can grab your finished exports and get them out there. It's all about putting you in the driver's seat from the moment you start. So let's just zoom out and look at the big picture for a second. The whole process really boils down to just 4 super straightforward steps. First, you choose your format. Second, you give it your inputs. Third, you let the AI do its thing and generate a first draft. And then fourth, you step in to add that final polish. See? Simple. And that first step, the flexibility there is absolutely key. You're not boxed into just one thing. You can go for that big, sweeping cinematic video, or maybe a quick, snappy edit driven by music. Or, and this is cool, you can take a long YouTube video and chop it up into a bunch of punchy little shorts perfect for social media. And you know the platform is smart and knows what to ask for. So if you choose that cinematic video format, it's going to say, hey, I need a script. But if you're just turning a YouTube video into shorts, all it needs is a URL. It just adapts to whatever you're trying to do.
Okay, theory is one thing, but let's see this thing in action, right? Let's get our hands dirty. We're going to walk through a real-world example and create a quick little travel video about an island adventure in Oahu, Hawaii.
So to kick things off, all we need is a script. And check this out. It's just one sentence. That's it. You don't need some massive, complicated screenplay to get going. Just a clear idea of what you want to say. This one little sentence, that's the entire foundation for our video.
All right, next up, we just dial in the settings for our little Oahu video. So for media, we're going to use a mix of our own clips and stock footage. For the voiceover, let's go with an AI voice called Jessica. We'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for social media, and we'll keep the captions on for now. See, every choice is simple and totally deliberate.
Okay, and here's the really clever part. This is kind of the secret sauce. By telling it to use both our own clips and the stock library, you basically guarantee you won't have any visual gaps. So if your script mentions, I don't know, lush mountains, and you don't have a shot of that, the AI just goes and finds a beautiful, relevant clip to fill that hole for you, automatically.
And boom, just a few minutes later, the AI delivers its first draft. Now this is where the real fun begins. We jump into the editing timeline, and this is where we're going to turn the AI's solid foundation into our own polished masterpiece. And this is a really important point. The AI draft, it's an awesome starting point. It gets you like 80% of the way there in no time. But that final 20%, that's all you. That's where your creativity, your style, your taste, that's what makes the video truly unique and truly yours.
And the editing tools themselves are totally intuitive. So say a shot of the waves goes on for just a second too long, no problem. A quick little trim on the timeline and boom, the pacing is instantly better.
Or maybe the AI picked a shot that, doesn't quite fit the vibe you're going for. Easy. With just one click, you can swap it out for the perfect clip, either from that huge stock library or from your own uploads. How about the audio? Is the background music a little too quiet? You can easily boost the volume, or you know what?
Just test out a completely different track to find that perfect move. So for our Oahu video, the original final clip the AI chose just didn't quite land with the final words of the script. So we swapped it. We replaced it with this gorgeous shot of Waikiki Beach. It was a tiny change, but it made the ending so much more impactful.
And that right there, that perfectly illustrates the whole philosophy here. You are always in the driver's seat. Trimming, swapping, adjusting, every single decision is yours. The AI does all the heavy lifting, and you come in and provide that final, essential, creative touch.
So, what does all this really mean for you? It means you now have a tool that just strips away all those technical barriers, all those production headaches, and it leaves you free to focus on the one thing that actually matters, the creative part.
And really, that's the magic formula, isn't it? This isn't about AI replacing creators, not at all. It's about blending the insane efficiency of AI with that irreplaceable spark of human creativity. It's a partnership, and it's a partnership that's going to let you create more, create faster, and honestly, create better stuff.
So, with a creative co-pilot like this in your corner, ready to bring literally any idea to life, there's really only one question left. What will you create?
Largest Hawaiian island and serves as the vibrant heart of the Hawaiian Islands. With its stunning beaches, lush mountains, and rich cultures and cultural heritage, Oahu offers a diverse array of experiences for visitors. Oahu's coastline features world-renowned beaches. Waikiki Beach, located in